College would Vibro, Kijim Tip Namtai, Khubor Laitkam, Kanegade Eastern West Khasi Hill District, Mairang, Kabrek Office of the Sub-Divisional Agricultural Officer. They connected by direct interview, walk-in interview. Walk-in interview is hereby invited for candidates who are citizens of India for the post below on that Office of Sub-Divisional Agriculture Officer, Eastern West Khasi Hill District, Mairang, on contractual basis for a period of 1 year. They can get a contract, they belong shisnem, then ada kata shisnem, kin sampai pada laki laban renew ne gilaban unit kaweru. Applicant should bring original educational qualification certificate along with their employment registration card obtained from the Meghalaya Employment Exchange Office. They hakane pada kipan akitu kibada register ilade hapok kanega Meghalaya Employment Exchange Meghalaya Employment Exchange Office during the work interview phabra ekatama ekataka employment registration card te yakata kin accept hakapor ba village hakapor interview nganom tip nomor hangne kipan ekata piong ba certificate along with their employment registration card lada pimpat dab register tenga try phaban lej register yelade nomor lada kipan hakapor interview lada phimdon te tip ke ekabanja kila abanom accept ru yakata te mlabanong. The appointment is purely on contractual basis with a fixed pay as indicated below. Date of interview is 14 July 2023. Kajakal Depot Mairang Sub-Divisional Agriculture Officer Mairang. Timing of registration 9 AM 10 AM sharp. Timing for interview kadai 11 AM to 4 PM. Take it on Tylli post kawai kadai Jong ka data entry operator ka fixed pay kadai 20,000 per month. Qualification long graduate in any discipline with diploma in computer DCA with minimum 1 year experience in relevant fields. Don't come she's name experience. Take don't come kawai post age relaxation kadai kandai bekar prahadu life nyo berkar relaxation kadai prahadu life nyo. Limit is likely by 5 years there. Kadai bej prahadu life nyo. Computer assistant fixed pay kadai 15,000 khatsan hajar per month. Minimum qualification graduate in any discipline bearing basic computer knowledge. Hangne tada basic kate haga data entry pada ki pan ka graduate in with diploma in computer with minimum 1 year experience. Te diploma hangne pada basic computer knowledge ada bega 3 months course ro kila laban apply. Tetang kini gila argi posi kiban kipala japo Mairang te kibako apply salaj ban apply salaj bejarak kade beka interview mo salaj kene office sub-divisional agriculture officer Mairang. Candidate should bring along with them duly filled in standard form standard form with 0 copies of educational qualification certificate duly attested during registration. For registration abra kita give ka form ka standard form lengkap bagi 0 copies sa peni yang tu pada dan no TAD okay dan no candidate shall be allowed for registration after 10 PM nada people Islam ya ka spoje kenom syashu preference public given to local candidate to ai local candidate hi residential certificate and epic to be produced. Tasakane rakawai dan kamban peni ya ka residential certificate but ka epic haban submit ha produce ka to por namar hikam prefer shwa ya ki local candidate tangine jemput kulishuan.